So hi everyone, I'm Pallav, and this winter I was working to integrate the Native Mistral plugin into the Godspeed Framework to make it more efficient for new developers to use this into their application. So the plugin is finally ready. Let's go over its key features. So I have defined Mistral as a data source to be used readily into the Godspeed Framework, which is facilitated by the amazing plug and play capabilities in the Godspeed Framework. So using this, we can effortlessly integrate Mistral AI into your projects with distinct endpoints defined for distinct tasks, as a code endpoint, a JSON endpoint, a moderation endpoint, a text and image endpoint, along with a plain or normal text endpoint. So let's try these out in the Swagger UI. So firstly, here we have the code endpoint, which basically queries the Codestral Mama, which is the latest Mistral model for code generation. And using this, we can generate any sort of code which you require with a single text prompt. We have the JSON endpoint as well. Using this, we can get a JSON object with the required details. So here I have requested for a JSON object with animal names along with their habitat, and I have got this nice clean JSON object here. We have the moderation endpoint as well. In this, we can pass a variety of data sets such as a text or image or even audio as well. And you can get basically along several dimensions how harmful the text is, and basically accordingly you can take countermeasures. We have the text image endpoint as well, on which you can pass an image which can either be the URL or even the base 64 encoded string along with a text prompt. So here I'm using this image along with the describe this text as a prompt, and we have got the description suitably. And the simple text prompt in which we can prompt with the text and get a text as the output as well. So this was the demonstration, and now moving over to the code. So basically, for defining a data source, we require two things. First is the init client method and the execute method. So this init client is defined in the data source. So new users do not. This is like abstracted away from the new users. So they don't need to deal with the API keys and definition of the new clients. They can directly use it, which we will see. So, if you want to use this in your application, you can directly, with a single line, create an instance of the data source and directly query it using the execute method. So, all this like hefty API related things have been abstracted away from the users. I would like to thank everyone at Godspeed for this amazing framework and this amazing opportunity in the Winter Affair program.